Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. XRP has been pumping it up! Yes! Ooh, so that was a little bit too high of a scream, I think. But yes, we're up like 50% today. It is not making sense. You can't make this stuff up. We're up freaking 44 point something percent since the dip. And the fun part is, I was actually telling you guys about the 4-hour confirmation, and I'm just waiting now to get a 1-day confirmation before we're going to go berserk. But a lot of the things we have actually predicted are coming out. Once more, let's quickly state one thing. Because this happened doesn't mean it'll actually continue, but I believe the majority of the people here over on Patreon and a lot of you guys watching my channel too hopefully got a nice little trade in. As well, it could be that right now the price has already moved down a little bit if you're watching this video, as I'm gonna maybe replace this one with a live stream first, and then I'll post this video a little bit later. So it could be that this video is gonna be coming out in like 3 hours from now because we're gonna live stream first. Having said that, yeah, things are generally looking pretty damn juicy. Still, we're a little bit more bullish on coins like Ethereum than coins like Bitcoin. I'm definitely selling the majority of my Bitcoin for altcoins right now. As I've explained before, altcoin season, in my opinion, is really around the corner. We're also seeing a pretty big dump happening right now. Maybe everything is over. We don't really know, but it was really beautiful to witness this. And I am happy that I sometimes spend a lot of time behind my computer so I can just witness this all and just see our money go up, down, up, down. It's just really something fun. On that same note, guys, a lot has been happening. A lot of you guys have been asking me about Solana. Solana prices surge amid crypto crash as market seeks lower gas fees. It's basically just another Ethereum competitor. Solana blockchain, a rising alternative to Ethereum for DeFi and NFTs, hit an all-time high this week while other cryptos stagnated. How come? Well, once more, guys, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, all those types of cryptos right now are performing a little bit better than the norm, mostly because of the big scares that we saw with Bitcoin and with basically holding crypto. Now, these cryptos, the platformers, everything to do with DeFi are performing a little bit better because it was expected that if it becomes more difficult or more expensive to sell your crypto, that you're gonna get more into DeFi, and thus those coins performed a little bit better. Plus, of course, the fact that it is altcoin season, in my opinion, and altcoins are performing quite significantly better than others are, than Bitcoin, I guess. Then, first NFL player to convert his entire 2021 salary to Bitcoin. Whenever I see titles like this, one thing really worries me, and that is, how do they pay tax? Because you can't pay your taxes in Bitcoin, so you can't really take your full salary that way, unless you're paying your tax with money you've received in another year. Otherwise, that's definitely interesting, right? So, last December, Russell Okung became the first NFL player to start getting paid in Bitcoin, but his eye-popping $13 million salary is split 50-50 between crypto and fiat. Fun story, if you have this in quite a lot of countries, you actually have to pay freaking 50% tax. So this 50-50 split is not even enough to cover your taxes, which is rather interesting. Of course, if you have the proper company and arrangement, this will definitely go down to at maximum 40%, but you guys get the idea that it's freaking expensive still to make money if it's really just income, which I think if you're an NFL player, it actually is. They most likely have some tactics for that though. I don't really know, but they most likely have. And right now, like Okun Chokin will receive his $920,000, which is really funny if you start to think about it. This guy gets paid $13 million. This guy, just a measly $920,000 a freaking year. Holy smokes, huh? It's ridiculous, but okay. Annual salary via crypto startup Zap twice a week. His contract remains denominated in dollars, which is why it has to be converted to Satoshi. And I kind of wonder if he's gonna, just get the money after tax or what? Because here it says, Chokin, who boasts an impressive background in the financial space, has been posting strong advocate as of late. In February, his thread, he outlined his views on crypto, taking a stand against printing money and describing inflation as the most crushing tax. With brevity, Bitcoin is off fixed supply designed to preserve your wealth over the long run. Again, you can see that in the stock to flow model. And the 27-year-old football star claims that inflation led to the fall of the Roman Empire. Damn. Now, don't let short-term losses in Bitcoin sour you, by Theo Capital's Eric Weinstein. All I have to say about this one, guys, is, man, whatever the freaking crypto prices are looking like, don't think it's going to always go up. Don't think you're not going to make some short-term losses, and don't think just because we're dipping or just because we're going down or even just because we're going up that this is what it's always going to be doing. Right now, we're dipping really freaking hard, and it's kind of annoying to watch sometimes, right? In the end, though, guys, it's actually not. if you start to think about it, it's all part of the bigger picture. It has to happen. And the more that it happens, the stronger we come out of it in the end of things. And I really don't mind corrections. I really don't think that this was the final leg up, by the way. I really don't think that we've actually dipped down low enough. But then again, you can't really say you knew in these types of scenarios. You can't really, right? Right now we're just dipping and zooting like crazy while adjusting about 35 cents on the XRP pair. Really on the dot, I think we hit like 35 right now, coming back down. But the same thing for Bitcoin, right? Why is it coming down right now? It's really hard to say. Is it because we really touched the top of our area? Potentially. Is it just because whales decide to manipulate the space again? Potentially. It's so hard to say. And that is why I always keep saying, be careful right now, because it can just move up and down really, really like crazy. This week is going to be the most important and the most crucial for the XRP price, and for any crypto price for that matter. This week will decide everything. But don't let these short-term losses kind of fool you into selling at the bottom or just selling out your crypto and going into something else. I personally think it's still smart to hold crypto, but again, it's just my own opinion, not financial advice. Then guys, by the way, this is the platform I'm trading on. I sometimes log out by accident. I guess every 2 days or so, it logs itself out. I don't really know exactly why it does that, but hey, that's the way it sometimes goes. But Bybit is the platform I'm using right now. If you're from the US, make sure you use a VPN. A link is down below. And just in general, make sure you go check it out. Right now, I think for the next couple of days, maybe until today even, there are some crazy deposit bonuses. So make sure you have an account, make sure you check it out. And yeah, if you are interested in it, make sure you deposit at least something so you know, right, that you get the bonus for free. Otherwise, you can always wait. I guess there's a new bonus if it's already finished. But just letting you guys know that there might be something nice to get. You know, for depositing something, you can even get $1,000. I don't know how much money you need, but it's possible. So just think about it. Now, America's largest RV dealer starts accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum. Camping World has started accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto. Yeah, I never saw this place before in my life, but hey, maybe it's something you like. I don't even know. I thought I should just make a quick little announcement of it because it might be a really huge company. And people might be like, oh, damn, that's so amazing. I need this, I need this, I need this. And then I might have not covered it, right? And I want to kind of cover all the most important news on my channel, as you guys know. Then, top 3 price predictions, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Earnings season could spill over into crypto markets, refueling the next leg up. I personally also don't exactly know what they're trying to talk about there with the earnings season, but man, I guess, no, I really don't know. Jim Cramer, the host of Mad Money on CNBC, stated that this week would have plenty of buying opportunities since the earnings season was in full swing. He added, there will be reports next week that are met with negativity, and not all of them will be generally bad. So I'm urging you to take advantage of that weakness. Biden's tax increase caused both the markets to collapse in tandem, albeit Bitcoin's crash far deeper, although selecting one data point out of many to suit a specific need would be cherry picking. Bitcoin has shown a higher degree of correlation with the S&P from the start of 2021. Let's see it, guys. Let's see it. I'm also really sometimes worried about what the correlation is going to look like when we witness another stock crash. Will crypto crash altogether as well? Or will this time around people really see crypto for what it is, as the hedge? Then, what's going on with ADA lately? I actually just want to say, ADA has a lot of crazy activities coming up in the recent or in the near future, I guess. Partially, we got the Africa event, and also partially, I guess, we got all the months, I guess, that we keep kind of complaining about or that we keep announcing. Like, okay, 3 months coming up, 4 months coming up. It's all itching closer, right? So Cardano is getting to a certain point, and piece by piece, every single day is getting closer to there. Don't miss out. Cardano is definitely one to really watch closely. And even though the coin hasn't really performed as well as it did earlier in the year, that's also mostly because those were all rapid, exciting things after each other. Right now, we just got the Africa event, maybe like the 28th, 30th, 30. I don't really know exactly what date it is anymore. Let me quickly type it in, Cardano Africa event. I'll quickly type it in on my phone. A 2-hour special event, April 29th it is. 1630 UTC if you wanted to know. BNB and Ethereum lead $200 billion crypto market recovery. It's debatable as well. Did XRP lead this? Did Ethereum lead this? Did just DeFi in general, DeFi-related projects lead this? It's really hard to say. Mostly on the basis that, well, XRP was definitely gaining like most, but Ethereum really held the strongest out of almost any cryptocurrency like that. So it's very difficult to say, but saying that XP is dead is like, I don't know, it's just ridiculous, right? This coin is freaking outperforming, and I accidentally have euros on instead of dollars. I was doing some calculating earlier, so we need to quickly change that up. Otherwise, you guys are like, no, it's all so ridiculously low. What's going on, Dusty? It's because it was euros. Right now, we're seeing the dollars and things are looking good, even though we are dumping just a little bit again. Let us see, let us wait, let us see, let us wait. Then, I just thought this might also be cool to know. By the way, we noticed, we actually did a little bit of research, a lot of the scammers out there are actually insulting us. That's a little fun fact here. If you check through the comment section, there's a lot of fake Dusty BCs, right? It's not me. But very funny. There's a couple of these accounts actually who also curse at us. And when I say us, I mean, for example, the DBC Comment Police. They just curse at him for posting those warnings. It's pretty damn funny. I just noticed that today and I thought, hey, let me quickly say that. Lagos Hotel becomes first to accept Bitcoin payments in Nigeria. I also thought that might be interesting for you guys to know. You know, if you're trying to visit over there and you have some crypto. Funny that there's a guy with a little Kenzo shirt in the background here. Is this not Hong Kong? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe HK stands for something completely else. But I don't know. I don't. I wouldn't think this picture is from Nigeria. But all right. And then blockchains comparison. What is the actual difference? Cardano, Elrond, Polkadot, and the Ethereum 2.0. One of these days, I'm going to make a really freaking interesting video for you guys, right? But if you just want the real quick nuggets of it, here, take a little bit of a screenshot. Here's the comparison for these crypto. Cardano, Elrond, Ethereum, Polkadot, there's a couple other ones. They're all these platformers, and it's something that you might want to know about, right? It's something that you might want to compare with, and it's something that you might want to keep in your head. These are projects right now which people assume are a little bit better, mostly on the basis that Bitcoin is not really that useful right now. They'd rather have DeFi related projects, and these are all, you know, in that little niche. So take it for what it is. All freaking solid. I don't really hold that much EGLD or Elrond. Maybe I should hold a little bit more. I don't really know. But yeah, I'm excited about everything in general. You guys know it. All right, that was it for today's update. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you press the like button and subscribe. And again, I might post this later, as we might do a live stream first. We'll see though. We'll see.